Now the boss is being hit. Go to Backdrop Sprite. Make sure you have set boss XP to 100 and hide it. Go to Monster Boss Sprite. After glide 2 seconds to XY coordinate. Show variable boss HP. Repeat until boss HP is less than 1 or lives are less than 1. Inside the loop, if touching player's laser. Then change boss HP by -2. Outside the loop, get an if-then-else block. If boss HP is less than 1. Set ghost effect to 0. Get a repeat 100 times loop. Inside the loop, change ghost effect by 1. Outside the loop, hide from player. Broadcast, you win. Else broadcast, no more lives. Game over. Go to Wording Sprite. Quick paint at the lower left corner to create a new costume. Type you win. Change it to red color and select Pixel Font Style. Resize it and put it at the center of motion. Check whether the wordings are covering the monster boss. In the coding page, when I receive you win. Go to front layer. Switch costume to costume 4. Show to player. Set ghost effect to 0. Go to player's laser sprite. Add touching monster boss using OR operator in the repeat until condition. Test the game and see if you can reduce the boss HP. Now we are making monster boss laser. Go to Monster Boss Sprite. When I receive boss comes out. Wait 2 seconds. Get a forever loop. Make a new variable called boss laser pattern. Inside the loop, set boss laser pattern to 1. Wait 8 seconds. Set boss laser pattern to 2. Wait 8 seconds. When I receive boss comes out. Wait 2 seconds. Repeat until boss HP is less than 1. Inside the loop, get 2 if block, if boss laser pattern is 1. And if boss laser pattern is 2. Create a new sprite by clicking Paint. Rename it to be boss P1L1, which means boss laser pattern 1 laser 1. Draw a small red dot at the center of motion. In the coding page, when green flag is clicked, hide from player. When I start as a cone, show to player. Go to back layer. Go to monster boss. Point in direction -150. Repeat until touching edge or touching plane. Inside the loop, move 3 steps. Outside the loop, delete this cone. Duplicate it. It will become boss P1L2 automatically. Adjust its point in direction to 180. Duplicate it and the new one becomes P1L3. Adjust its point in direction to 150. Duplicate enemy's laser. Rename it to be Boss P1L4. Remove Go to XY coordinate and point in direction. Replace it with Go to Monster Boss. And point towards Pain. Go to Monster Boss Sprite. Inside if boss laser pattern is 1, create cone of boss P1L1 to L4. Wait 0.8 seconds. Duplicate boss P1L3. Rename it to be boss P2L1. Adjust its point in direction to -135. Duplicate P2L1, it will become P2L2. Adjust its point in direction to -150. Duplicate P2L2 and it becomes P2L3. Change direction to -165. Duplicate L3 and it becomes L4. Change direction to 180. Duplicate L4 and it becomes L5. Change direction to 165. Duplicate L5 and it becomes L6. Change direction to 150. Duplicate L6 and it becomes L7. Change direction to 135. Go to Monster Boss Sprite. In the if boss laser pattern is 2 block, create cone of boss P2L1, L3, L5, and L7. Wait 0.6 seconds. Create cone of boss P2, L2, L4, and L6. Wait 0.6 seconds. Go to Plane Sprite. In the If Touching Enemy Laser block, add touching boss P1L1 to L4 and boss P2L1 to L7 by using OR operators. In the Attribution sprite, when green flag clicked, go to XY coordinate. Hide from player. When I receive, you win. Show to player. In the Alien sprite, when I start as a cone, wait until Y position is less than -165. Broadcast aliens reach the bottom. game over. In the Wording Sprite, create a new costume by pressing Paint in lower left corner. Type Aliens, reach the bottom, game over. Resize it. In the coding page, when I receive aliens reach the bottom, game over. Go to front layer. Switch costume to costume 5. Show to player. Stop all. Test the game. What we need to do next is to add sound effect.